Hello and welcome to another Cricut YouTube episode. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use the pens on your Cricut machine and how you can make some draw then cut projects which are perfect for the kids this Easter. These are the Cricut pens I'm going to use. They are dual-sided, which means you get the 1mm tip as well as the 0.4mm. I've made sure that these projects I've created are quick and easy for you to replicate at home. And this is a perfect beginner project that you can do in about 5 minutes, because as soon as the machine has drawn, your project is then ready to remove from a mat and hand over to those kids. I headed into Hobbycraft to pick up some supplies which will make this project super easy. So let's go together and you can see what I got.
If you're looking for any craft supplies, whether it's for you or the kids, then Hobbycraft is definitely the destination to go. When in store, I headed straight to the Easter range to just check out to get some inspiration. Headed for the card and the selection is vast. Of course, I made a beeline for these incredible packs where you get multiple colours of card, and the pastel one is perfect for Easter. And then in the kids section, they have got loads of pom-poms and pipe cleaners, and I picked up some pipe cleaners. And who knew you could get everything in so many different colours?
What do we think? The coloured ones or the pastel ones? I like the
Pastel.
So for this project, I'm going to use the brand new Cricut Explore 5, but you could use any machine for it. You will need a cutting mat, as well as some pens, and then your regular fine point blade, which is already in the machine for you. In Hobbycraft, I picked up some supplies, so I got some cards. I went for this pastel card because to me, spring screams pastel. And then I also found these beautiful matching beads, which will make more sense as to what we're doing with these for the perfect kids activity. And then some pipe cleaners, which honestly, for years I've thought, what do people actually use them for? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to use them for. So it is just a quick and easy project that you can use with your Cricut machine, some supplies in Hobbycraft that will help keep the kids entertained this Easter holidays. Absolutely love these packs from Hobbycraft because you get so many different colours. So I think I'm going to go for the pink, and then let's do a yellow as well, because, you know, why not? I actually think this is beautiful together. If anyone knows me, lilac will always be my choice, and together with the yellow, I think these look great. So we are going to go with these. These are the new Cricut Omni pens, and the best thing about these is they work on all of the machines. So if you have one of the older models of Maker or Explore, you can pop the adapter in, and if you've got the brand new Explore 5 or any of the Joy machines, then you can put the pen directly in. So I think I'm going to go with a black and a magenta. With these, they're called dual-sided, so at one end, you have got your 0.4 thickness nib, and then on the other side you've got the 1mm. So you get the dual-sided, so whether you want to do a thick line or a thin line, you've got the option in one pack of pens. Then this is the adapter that I was talking about that would slot into the older generation machines. When it comes to Cricut materials, if it says Smart on the packet, you can load it directly into the machine. When it comes to cutting card, you'll have to pop it on a cutting mat. So I'm going to use the 12x12 cutting mat, and we are going to pop our card directly on. Make sure that you keep this plastic safe, because this is what you want to then pop back on when you're not cutting, to make sure that your mat's not picking up any dust and pet hair or human hair. Now that our design is ready in Design Space, we can go to Make. And then on here, I am clicking on a mat. As I'm not using Smart material, I'm using card, confirm, and then it will show us an image of what our cutting mat looks like. And you can see your design in place. So if I then click continue, I can then select my material. There is a whole list. You can search for them as well as bookmarking your favourite ones. So I'm going to go with medium cardstock. And up here, it then shows me the pen loading instructions, and I want to make sure that there's this symbol on the pen, which there is. And then you can click, got it. Straight in, so it goes into the second clamp, just like it did on the previous machines, until you hear that click. So until you hear that click, it's not in properly, so just make sure that you have clicked it down. Grab my card mat with my card on, and then I can pop this in and press play, and it's going to draw through my mat. It will check to make sure that I've got enough material ready, and it's going to get started. So it's just drawing out the design that we made in Design Space. Design Space, it's telling me to remove the pen from the clamp. So you just pull up like so, and then I can press the go button again and it will then do the cut part of Draw Then Cut. And this is just a super simple and quick kids colouring activity that you have made on your Cricut machine. You could personalise it with their names, with sayings, for any occasion. I'll show you how you can use Draw Then Cut as well as the pipe cleaners and the beads to make another kind of kids activity. So keep watching. Put my card onto the cutting mat in that top corner. And my design is ready to go in Design Space. I can load my magenta pen, which again is dual-sided, and at the top it says 0.4, or we have the 1mm. I'm going to use the 0.4, so as you can see it's a thinner nib, and then we want to pop it down until you hear the click. Like that. And within a couple of minutes, we have now got our super simple off the mat colouring sheet, as well as these bunny rabbits that can be coloured in, but as well as these little holes. And then because we've got the little holes, what we can do is grab 2 pipe cleaners per rabbit. If you just fold it in half, you can then thread it through this side, through the back, and then pull it through. And these are ready to go. You go, and then we can do the same on the other rabbit. Then all that's left to do is grab your beads
and your small person, and then they can get threading the beads onto the pipe cleaners. I love that it's a totally mess-free activity, and it's something you can reuse again by just unthreading the beads.
That circle is so easy. Is there like a pick? Oh yes, there is a pick.
Wow, look at that.
Next two. So I'm gonna do like a purple.
My daughter absolutely loved making this rabbit. Then when she's ready to do it again, we can just take the beads off and pop them back in the pot.
And this really is such a super quick and simple idea that you can make with your Cricut machine, the Draw Then Cut feature, and some pipe cleaners and beads from Hobbycraft.